Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby Jacobs, and on today's update video we are going to talk about an airdrop project you can start farming now. But before we get into this video, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for spot trading opportunities and crypto airdrops updates and links. So today we are looking at an airdrop project called Silencio. Now, what is Silencio? Silencio is a decentralized project focused on combating global noise pollution through a user-generated data network. Participants can use their smartphones to record and submit noise levels in their environment, earning noise coin in return. Now, this data is then aggregated into a massive database which can be commercialized across industries such as real estate, hospitality, urban planning, and city governance. Now, the project has integrated with Peak blockchain to leverage decentralized infrastructure for managing data collection, security, and rewards. And it only has 92,000 active participants, and it has had an experienced growth of around 1 million that has been raised, as you guys can see here, by Borderless Capital, which further strengthens its position within the deepin sector. So Silencio roadmap involves several key developments focusing on expanding its platform and token ecosystem, and the highlights of their strategies are app launch and enhancements. Regarding the roadmap for this particular project, number one, we have app launch and enhancement. Now, they launched a new app with an updated user interface and enhanced earning features and a more gamified experience for tracking noise measurement and interaction in the network. So users can earn rewards by participating in activities like measuring noise, checking into venues, and exploring new areas. Now, for the airdrop aspect, now Silencio has designed an engaging reward tied to user activity. Their beta airdrop allocates rewards based on users' engagement, with bonuses for top performance and referral programs that offer a 20% lifetime commission on referred users' earnings. Now, for the TGE, the Silencio token is going to launch in Q4 this year and is going to occur after the Peak Network TGE with a delay of at least 3 months. Now, the token launch will unlock staking and premium access features within the Silencio ecosystem. Now, apart from that, apart from the TGE, the roadmap of this particular project also include plans to enhance privacy features, scalability improvement, and potential partnership to broaden use cases. Now, for this particular project, they are having an ongoing beta airdrop, as you guys can see here on their website. Now, Silencio, what you have to do to engage in this particular airdrop project is just to what you go through the description. Under the description, you are going to see my link right there. Then from there, you go to your to Play Store and you download the app. Now, you can go over to your Play Store, or after you click the link, you will get to see your the link will take you to a website, and from the website is you are going to go over to Play Store or App Store. Then you are going to download the app, and then from there you are going to log in, register, and you will start measuring noise pollutions around you, which will be converted into tokens. So here we are, guys. This is the interface of the app after you have done registering using the link in the description. Now the interface looks like this. However, truth be told, this project has been around for over 8 months. I registered around February, and we've been doing some recording noises around, and so far ever since then I've been able to raise at least 30,000 noise coins. Now, the noise coin is not what you are looking at. What you are actually looking at is the SLC tokens. Now right here on my dashboard, for now I'm expecting a share of 53,837 SLC tokens when it is going to launch. So it is just a speculation for now. This is not the actual token I'll be getting. It's just an expected share. So taking you back to how the app works now, as you guys can see, this is the interface of the app. You have your measure, you have your explore, and you have the amount of noise coin you've mined. So far for now, I've mined 30,000 noise coin, and I've been on a 157 streaks since I've been using the particular app to mine the noise coin. So what you are just going to do now is that once you have it, you've downloaded it using the link in the description, all you have to do is open the app. If you want to make your recording, you press the plus sign, then you press active, then you go for active measurements or venue check-in. Now once you click the active measurement, because that is what you are going to use mostly, you click in the active measurement, then the app is going to work and record the noise around you for 30 minutes. So during that 30 minutes, you can be doing other things on your phone, or you can just leave your phone to let it record for 30 minutes. So after the 30 minutes is up, you are going to then claim your noise coin. Then you watch an ad, then after watching the ad, and you make use of a multiplier that can increase the number of noise coins you are getting. So right now it can't work because I'm using the phone to record right now, but however, that's just all you have to do. You go to the active measurement and it measures for like 30 minutes. However, if you are using this app, make sure that your phone doesn't ring out or your phone doesn't make any other sound apart from what it is recording, because if it does, the Silencio app is going to stop working. You can't really, and you have to go back and re-record. So that's just about it. So like I said, you are recording the noise around you. Now like I said before in the beginning of the video, the token is set to launch in Q4 2024, which means that it is launching very soon, expectedly mostly around maybe November or December, until we get an official statement from the team. So I will employ you all to please get in on this right now and try to farm as much noise coin as you can before the project is set to launch. So aside from that, I would also like you guys to please join our Telegram group. This is our airdrop group. Here we post all airdrops, mostly free, that you guys can get into. Right now, the trend right now is Telegram airdrops, so you guys can also get into it. There are several Telegram airdrops here we are doing, and some other airdrops outside Telegram that we are active in already. So if you are new to crypto, you are new to Web3, or you are already into Web3 and you want to make some free money from claiming free tokens through airdrop, I will advise you guys to please join our channel, get updated with airdrop links and airdrop news, and farm it as seriously as you can. The link will be in the description below the video, so you guys make sure you check the description in the video to get access to all the links and you engage in them as well. And aside from that, we also have a paid group where I drop signals on coins you guys can get from doing my own analysis, which we call spot trading. So I drop coins here on this group that you guys can get, you guys can buy, and once the coin pumps, you get to make your you get to make your profit. And not just spot trading, we also drop futures signals as well that you guys can use to trade. The group is a one-time payment and it is not really expensive. It's just about $10 to $15, very affordable, very cheap, and you guys can get into the group permanently, no monthly dues. So that's about it for this particular video. So I will advise you guys to please do well engage with this particular airdrop, and then you enjoy 5% allocated for airdrop in this project. Once more, like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and wait for more airdrop updates and crypto trading opportunities. Thanks.